Enjoy this quick and easy, delicious salmon bowl with me. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350. Then you're going to take your parchment paper and you're going to create little pleats in it. Tie up the sides with strings, and you're going to adjust this to the size of your salmon and vegetables. You can choose to make them individual for each person, or you can make one large one like I did for just me. Then you're going to place it into either a foil pan or any pan you have. Add your vegetables of choice. I chose scallions, cherry tomatoes that I picked from the farm, some hand-picked jalapenos, and some hand-picked zucchini. Next, you're going to add some mushrooms. And again, you can customize this. You can skip any of these vegetables and add asparagus and other vegetables of your choice. Next, you're going to season it with pink Himalayan salt and black pepper. Then you're going to add your salmon right on top and start seasoning it the way you like. I chose to add a little bit of honey, and I also added some garlic powder, avocado oil, and some salt. Again, pink Himalayan preferably. If you don't have it, it's fine. You could use regular white salt. Some pepper and some hot paprika, or you can choose sweet paprika. Then you're going to take a brush and mix all of the seasonings together. This is just a much neater way of doing it. Instead of getting gloves dirty or your hands dirty, you can just do it this way. It's quick and easy. And for the final step, I added pomegranate molasses over the vegetables and the fish, and I just left it as is without mixing it in or rubbing it in. Then you're going to pop this baby in the oven on 350 and let it cook for about 20 minutes down there, and then put it into the broiler on low for an additional 10 minutes, watching it. Add some juices to it and place the entire parchment paper boat onto a large plate and eat it straight out of the salmon boat. And